coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Now I have been given the question to find the circumference of a circle of radius 25 millimeters by geometrical construction. Alright, so first I'm going to draw a circle of 25 millimeters. So let's measure that. That's it. Then we have a circle. We have a midpoint. Next I'm going to draw a vertical line through the midpoint with the help of my t-square. Then I'll draw a horizontal line too with the help of my t-square. Right. So next I'm going to pick the diameter. So that'll be 2 times the radius. I'm going to mark 3 times on this line. So this is going to be the first one. The second one. Then finally the third one. So let's name here point O, then 1D, 2D, and 3D. Alright, so next we are going to draw a 30 degrees angle in this direction. So let's construct that. So first I'll construct 60, then I'll bisect it. So I'll first draw my semicircle. Then I'll inscribe an arc, stand here, inscribe an arc. Stand here too, and inscribe an arc. So now we have 60, 60, 60, that will give us 180. Then I'll stand here, open to more than half, or I can use the same thing, and inscribe an arc. Stand here too, and inscribe an arc. And that gives me 30 degrees, so I'll mark that side. I'm going to draw a line through the point of intersection. And where it intersects with the circle, I'm going to mark the place. I'm going to name it point A. Where the 30 degrees line intersects with the main circle, I'm going to name it point A. Next, I'm going to draw a line parallel to O3D through point A. And how are you going to do that? I'll step at A and open to any radius of my choice and inscribe an arc to touch line O3D. Then with that same radius, I'll now stand where it intersects and inscribe an arc. Let me do it fully. Now I'll step at where it intersects with the circle and open to A. So let me name where it intersects the circle point B. So step at B and open to A. And open to A. Then I'll come and step here and inscribe an arc. Next, I'll draw a line to the point of intersection and point A. Now it intersects with the diameter of this circle at a point. Let's name it point C. Next, I'm going to join point C to point 3D, and that length is the circumference of the circle. So let's do that. And the length is about 157 millimeters. Alright, so, and that's the length, and that's the circumference of this circle. The circumference is just the length of line C3D, this line. And that's how to find the circumference of a circle by geometrical construction. Thank you.